My brother has become Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
क्या सुशांत की फैमिली उनके मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में जानते थे? Did Sushant's sister Priyanka change his medications on the day Riya left home? Was one of Sushant's sisters aware about the fact that the actor may have been taking banned substances?
We are so proud.
No, we should cut a Dhoni figure. Not a sorry figure.
अरे सुशांत का है ये रहा.
These are the new questions that have emerged now in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. After alleged chats emerged between the late actor's sister Neetu and his ex-manager Shruti Modi, where Shruti shared Sushant's prescription with Neetu, now new chats have emerged where Sushant's sister Priyanka is reported to be recommending medications to him for his mental health issues and even assures him that she will arrange for a prescription so that he is able to get them from a pharmacy. So new chats allegedly exchanged between Sushant and his sister Priyanka and the allegations made by Riya's lawyer Satish Manashinde has created quite a furor in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Though the family has consistently accused Riya for giving Sushant medicines and banned substances and has denied that the actor was battling any mental health illness, it now seems perhaps that there is more than what meets the eye. Riya Chakraborty's lawyer Satish Manashinde has now questioned how the family was able to arrange for a prescription for medicines that should have never been given without a proper consultation. Mr. Manashinde has said, Sushant Singh Rajput's family made an allegation before the court, CBI, Patna police and other agencies that Riya was administering medicines, that she was giving him an overdose and manipulating his health. But the truth is that she was taking him to top doctors in the city. Explaining the seriousness of prescribing medicines for mental health conditions without proper consultation, Mr. Manashinde added, Priyanka's messages reveal that they were aware of Sushant Singh Rajput's condition in November 2019. On top of that, under the Mental Health Act, the doctor has committed a crime by administering a drug that shouldn't be prescribed without proper consultation. Secondly, Sushant is mentioned as an OPD patient, which is false. Therefore, this is forgery, and all electronic messages are admissible in the court of law. Mr. Manashinde went on to explain कि सुशांत की सिस्टर के इसी इंटरफियरेंस की वजह से रिया और सुशांत का झगड़ा हुआ था और रिया ने घर छोड़ दिया था. Riya had allegedly insisted that Sushant take only the medicines prescribed by doctors he had physically met. But Sushant asked her and Shovik to leave his home after their argument. In another serious allegation against Sushant's sisters, his ex-manager Shruti Modi's lawyer has now alleged that while Sushant's father has been accusing Riya of poisoning his son with banned substances, a sister attended parties in Sushant's house and knew that he took these particular substances. उनका ये कहना है that even before he started dating Riya, उन्हें ये banned substances लेने की आदत थी. Shruti's lawyer has said, one of the sister who lives in Mumbai had attended many parties, is fond of alcohol and has been to many parties where the substance abuse was done. However, it is not clear which sister he is referring to.
We are so proud.
No, we should cut a Dhoni figure. Not a sorry figure.
अरे सुशांत का है ये रहा.
It is unfortunate indeed to see just how many complications are emerging in this case and that no one really, not even Sushant's own family, is above suspicion as of now. One can only hope that the late actor can finally get justice with the CBI investigation which is underway.